What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, join the squad, and if you want a post notification shout out at the end of my video, all you gotta do is turn on the post notification bell and be the first to comment. Today, I found something very interesting and very mysterious. Very mysterious. Now, the other day, I bought some little black ice trees, right? The little scents. And so I decided to put it in my glove compartment. And guess what I found? I opened up my glove box, which I've never went through the glove compartment until this day. Let me show you guys what I found. All right, so I put this back on top, but see my little pine trees? So I found this bag, guys. And so I was like, what the heck is this? So I started going through a few paperwork, like I bought out of paperwork, and I saw some receipts with thousands of dollars spent on Toby. Like thousands of dollars, thousands of dollars spent on Toby. And honestly, I was shook because the previous owner, maybe not the one I bought it off, but the previous owner has spent a lot of money on Toby. And so today we're gonna be finding out what he spent the money on and what kind of performance mods has been added to this car. It's really interesting, and I feel like I just found something like a treasure. Like it's like, here we are. Got the bag. Let's go ahead and check. We have the owner's manual. So I decided to lay all the paperwork down. There's a few more paperwork that I found as well, but I set it aside because it had a lot of numbers and things that I didn't really understand. I put everything based on the year, so there's a few years skipping, but everything is in order from 2005 to 2015. And there's a lot of money spent here, guys. A lot of money spent. And I'm not gonna be telling you guys every single thing that they spent money on. I'm just gonna pop it up on the screen on the side, and I'm also gonna be putting how much money they spent. You guys can be the Chuuuki investigators of Toby. These are all Toby's medical bills. Medical bills. I keep saying bills. These are all Toby's medical bills. Alrighty guys, let's get right into this investigation. Let's start from the very beginning. I got this 2005 paperwork here. He spent $474. Damn, this is for an alignment. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Basically saying how much camber it has and whatnot, but I'm not very interested in that, and I'm sure you guys are not either. So let's get on to the next paperwork. This one is from 2009. Whoa, oh my gosh. They spent $4,468.38. This one has the short block on our engine, on our heads. All these bills are pretty expensive. They did a water pump, which I did the water pump. Let's see how much they charged them. This was in 2009. It says $9, but I don't think that's right. Oh my gosh. 2 head gaskets. They came out to $4,000. They spent $1,619.88. Literally the next year, they spent almost $2,000 apart from the 4. They got an OEM differential, which is $649, basically $650. Oil, dowel pins, install clutch. Oh, I guess he got a clutch. Transmission, disassemble transmission. What the hell, man? That's kind of a lot of things for just the next year. That was in 2010, literally the next year after that. And then this one here is 2011, so it's 9, 10, 11. Whoa. This is all back to back. What? No way. Okay, so this one they spent a little bit less, but it's still in the thousands. This one they spent $1,398.78. And that is back to back. So they got a fuel pump, install turbo, install up pipe, spark plugs, nylon tubing, map sensor. I don't know what happened, but like this is a lot of stuff. Maybe he might have been going crazy in the car because this is a lot of money and it's like back to back. So it's kind of crazy, man. It's kind of crazy. I would understand if it was all in 1 year, like you blow up the whole engine and then you gotta kind of fix everything or whatnot. But back to back every year, it sounds like the Subi trap. It's either the owner or the car, or both. We don't know. That's crazy because the car doesn't even run that good. I'm looking for my 10 mil. Papa, what you doing, Bubba? What you doing, Bubba? What you doing? Say hi to the squad, Bubba. Where's your jacket, Bubba? Where's your blue jacket, huh? Who took your blue jacket off? Alrighty, guys. I'm about to go to a car meet right now. I wanted to put like a logo on my car, but I don't have any time right now because I'm supposed to meet up with someone so I can sell them the wheels. So I wasn't able to make the little vinyl decal right now. So I'm gonna have to just wait. But guess what? We're going to a car meet, and of course, I want to take Toby, but I also want to take Nelson. So we're gonna be taking them both. Half of me is gonna be over here, and then half of me is gonna be over there, and we're gonna take them both and just have a good time, guys. Okay. All right. Cheers, mate. I can't believe that I'm gonna be taking Nelson and Toby to a car meet. This is gonna be the first time ever that I do that, and I just think it's so freaking cool. Toby's cousin. Ooh, I almost missed it. That little tug. Squad.
Nah, I like that.
Twins. Twinsers. Fight. Hear this and they'll chop their leg off. Boom.
Too many times.
Noise. We got Tolbert about to roll out. I think we're almost to the meet, everybody. I think we're oh shoot, we're here. Or not. Oh yeah, we are here. We're here. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna let that car go. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'll say. Now to find some parking, everybody. Whoa! Almost got stuck. Yikes! Oh my gosh! What the heck, Toby? What the heck? Damn! What an entrance, everybody! My freaking car was just scraping in. No cap. It was just scraping in. My freaking thing kept scraping. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get bacon. Did you hear how bad it was scraping?
Yeah. What's rubbing?
My freaking tire keeps rubbing. Like crucial.
Oh, when you go down?
Oh, that's nice. Got Chuuuki squad looking at Nelson and Toby. Thank you. I like your car too. 700 horsepower or something? Dang, you're 800. Noise. Tubi squad.
Fresh kicks.
Oh.
Mean fresh kicks.
Damn, this is nice though. This is nice.
It hits like right around 3,500 RPMs. It's all like top end.
Damn, we're gonna be seeing a lot of Subis. Get some Subi inspo for my Tolbert. This go hard. Hey, that looks nice. Can I just tell them? That's the car I drove, guys. That's the car I drove. When it was yellow, though. When it was yellow. I don't know if you remember, but he let me drive his Evo a long time ago. Oh shit, there's a guy over there. Should I run him over?
Give the gas?
And then let go of it slowly? No, what if I run over that guy? Whoa! And it was freaking fun. Like literally after that, I wanted a turbo car. No cap. Dang. It looks cool. This looks so sick. Alright guys, so a long time ago, this Evo was actually yellow. But this looks sick.
You can drive it again too, but this trend is a little bit more aggressive. It's faceplated.
Little lights with a cop. Savage. Hi, Gage. He's like, who's calling me? Oh. All right, so I was looking through these cars, and then I came across this car, and I was wondering if this is Panda. It's one of my subscribers' cars. Told me about this car, but I don't know if it's his or not. I'm gonna feel a little weird because my car's gonna be scraping hella hard. I'm not excited for it, guys. I'm not excited. There's a few cops, so I hope they don't try to mess with me, you know? Happy Halloween! What's up, guys? It's the next next day, and today is Halloween. Today I'm gonna be sending out my special Patreon letters, and I'm so freaking excited. I've actually never sent a letter out before, and you guys are not gonna believe, but Travis Scott, the one and only, joined my Patreon squad. I said it. Anyways, if you guys want to join my Patreon, then the link is always going to be in the description down below. And I'd really appreciate it if you join the gang, join the gang. These are a few of the peeps that are getting the letter because they put their address in. And make sure to put your address in. Look at here. Travis freaking Scott. For the people that get a letter, tag me on Instagram or anywhere, tag me somewhere so I can know that you guys got your letter. Patreon shout out goes out to Judy Hart. Thank you so much for being part of the Patreon squad. And we're gonna also give out a post notification shout out, and that goes out to Jay. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in my next video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Peace.